Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is myself Umme Habiba and I am a student of Comsat University Islamabad Bagh Campus Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering. And I am here to present our final year project, which is design of smart and energy efficient power system lab. Our team includes Dr. Sadiq Ahmed, who is the supervisor of this project, myself Umme Habiba and Amna Naz. These are the basic contents which I will discuss one by one, so let's get started. This is the brief introduction of our project, that what we have done so far. But the main thing is why we selected this project. While working in the lab, we feel the need of advancement in some traditional activities, like component security is the main issue. As you can see in the video that any random student can take away any component without informing. And the other main issue is that any student can enter in the class during the lecture and still marked as a present. The noise of the opening and the closing of the door is also very irritating. And sometimes there is no one in the lab but still lights and fans are on. This is the wastage of electricity. These are the things which motivated us to do this project, which we want to achieve. Basically, we want to design a smart energy efficient power system lab which can generate and conserve energy. Conservation of energy will be done by utilizing the available resources in efficient manner to increase the energy efficiency, producibility and reliability in the work environment. These are the things which has been done before in the literature so far regarding the automation and energy generation. Automation is not a new thing, but automating a lab has not done yet. Previously, automation is done by using local methods, using sensors. And same goes for energy generation. It is previously done by silicon material. Core system model for all these issues. Our project consists of two parts. One is energy conservation and the another is energy generation. The first core, which is energy conservation, is done by doing advancement in the lab like automatic attendance system, automatic component issue system, controlling light and fan using application, and the efficient door lock system, automatic attendance system, and the automatic dustbin, and the whiteboard clearance system. The other part is energy generation, which is done by using piezoelectric material. Now diagram. First of all, the person will scan the RF card, the door will be unlocked, then the required lights and fans will be turned on using the app, and then automatic attendance system will work, and the whiteboard clearance is done if needed, and the control allotment of components will be done. Then different sensors will work, and if we have to use dustbin, we can. Then air filter is also present for clean environment, and the energy generation using piezoelectric material which has the layers of acrylic sheets. App development part. We have developed an app named as Smart Lab Portal for voice control automation of lights and fans, and automatic attendance system, and the component issue system. This is the interface of our app. We have used MIT App Inventor for the app development, which is an online platform called Light Automation is done. In this part, we have a separate page for light automation. We can press any button for the specific lights which we want to turn on. We have to press these buttons for turn on and these buttons to turn off. In the middle of them, we can see the state of lights, whether the light is on or off. We can also use this button, which is voice controlled. This is the main circuit. The next part is the fan automation system, which is similar to the light automation system. And we can turn on and off any fan of our choice. It's automatic attendance system. This part, the in time and out time of the students will be stored in the Excel sheet. Teacher has to scan the QR code of the student's card, and then the in and out time will be stored in the Excel sheet as shown in. There's also a separate page for the component issue system in the app. When a student has to take any component from the lab, his name should be mentioned in the lab and the name of the component will also be mentioned here. Then the status, whether it has to be issued or returned. And then the app will store the date, time, name of the component, name of the student, and the status of the component, whether it is issued or returned to that student. As we all know that our labs has very expensive machinery and component. So to ensure the security of lab, automatic door lock system is defined using RFID. The RFID module scans the RF card and sends the signal to the Arduino. Then Arduino matches these values with the predefined values in the code, and then it sends a command to relay module to unlock the code. And then the door will open only by the relevant person. Not everyone can enter in the lab. For hygienic disposal with the automatic and touchless waste disposal, we design a smart dustbin. The lid of the dustbin will automatically open when someone wants to throw anything in the dustbin. Is whiteboard cleaner. To save the time and efforts of our teacher, we are heading to design a whiteboard duster. It will connect to the motor and push button. When the button will be pressed, the duster slides on the board and clean the board from top to bottom and bottom to top. See our whiteboard cleaner in these pictures. Energy generation using piezoelectric material. Basically, piezoelectric effect is the ability of some material to produce an electric charge in response to applied pressure. To implement this model, we have used piezoelectric transducers which produce AC voltage, and to convert this AC voltage into DC, we use bridge rectifier. There are two uses of this module. One use is the energy generation and its use on real time. And the second one is using battery, and we can use the energy of the battery at any time. When anyone can step or walk on this tile, the energy will produce, and this energy will store in the battery, and there is also an LED which shows the real-time output. These are the individual contributions of our team. We both work together for every part of our project. These are the project timelines and the details of every week. As we all know, the population of the world is increasing day by day and the energy resources are depleting. So we have to conserve and generate energy in every possible manner. And our project is a living example of this. We are generating and conserving energy. In our lab, we have done following things. We have improved the security system, time to reduce manual processes by using app, time saving, automatic system, automatic attendance, automatic board claiming, lab components issue system. And we are also generating energy on our own, which leads to lower the living expenses. The proposed technology also reduces the pollution by protecting the environment from excess resources and carbon dioxide emission. This is the visual appearance of our project. This is the automatic attendance part. We have this interface in our app. We have separate button for in time and out time. When for in time card is scanned, the in time of the student is recorded in the app. And same goes for out time. When the card is scanned, the time is stored in the app and this time is also stored in spreadsheet. You can see that in and out time of the student is stored in the spreadsheet. This is the light control part of the app. This is the interface of the light control part. We have separate button to turn on and off the light. In the middle part shows the state of the light, whether the light is on or off. This is the fan control part, just like the light part. We have buttons separately. This is the RFID door lock system. When the RF card is scanned, the relay will operate and door will be unlocked. This is the automation of light and fan practically. When we press the off button, the fan will turn off. You can see very clearly that fan starts shutting down. And when the off button is turned off for light, the light will turn off. You can see light off. And you can also see that lights are turned on when the on button is pressed. Automatic whiteboard cleaning system. When the button is pressed, duster will move up and down and erase the board. This is our automatic dustbin part. When someone came close to the dustbin, wants to throw something, the lid is open. This is automatic air freshener which spray after some time. This is the energy generation using piezoelectric material. When we press or jump or walk on the tile, the light will turn on. Thank you so much for your precious time.